In this video we're going to learn some words and phrases to describe Wexford, which is the town that I was born in and where I still live to this day. But these words and phrases can be useful to describe any town or any city. So let's get started. Wexford is situated in the southeast corner of Ireland, right here. The southeast, on Yeshkart. So this is an aerial photo of Wexford town. Down here we have the train track, Royle Iarn Road. The river here is called the Slaney, An Tláine. The Irish for river is Owen. The Irish for harbour is Cuan. And this is Wexford Harbour, this area here, Cuan. And the mouth of the river is described by using the word bale. Bale for mouth. In mail an Chuan, in the mouth of the harbour. In mail an Chuan. Out beyond the harbour then you can see some sandbars. The Irish for a sandbar is Gura. And Wexford is of course beside the sea. The Irish for sea is Farraga. Cush Farraga, beside the sea. Cush Farraga. There's two main bridges that you can see here. The one at the bottom is on the main road, and this links up to the main Dublin road. And the one over here then is more that it links to Wexford with the far side of the town, Ferrybank it's called, on the far side. So there's two main bridges anyway. The Irish for bridge is Droichead. And this is where the old bridge used to be up until the 1950s, but it's no longer there, it's long since demolished. The Irish for old bridge is Shandroichead. It's a leftover from a bygone era. Irsma ó ré atá hart. Leftovers from a bygone era. On the outskirts of the town, Imel an Bhaile is outskirts of the town. Imel an Bhaile, you'll find lots of fields. The Irish for fields is Parcana. And it's quite fitting because this part of Wexford is actually called Park anyway. This big green area here is the racetrack. Ross Rain. Ross Rain. What goes on here is horse racing. Rossíocht Chapel. Horse racing. Here then we have the hospital, Ospedale. Ospedale is the Irish for hospital. Ospedale Generalta Lochgorman. Wexford General Hospital. Ospedale Generalta Lochgorman. This building here then is the County Council building, Cuairla Cúnta. Lochgorman. Wexford County Council, Cuairla Cúnta Lochgorman. Down here then we have a hotel. This lovely hotel, called the Ferry Carrick Hotel, is located beside the river, Cush Owen. And the Irish for hotel is Óstán. Up here then, we would have the town centre, where there's lots of great shops and restaurants. The town centre, in Irish you'd say, Lár an Bhaile, the town centre. And down here then, we have a sailing club. This sailing club also hosts tennis courts as well. So you have tennis, which is Ladóg. Ladóg is the Irish for tennis. Sailing, which is Seoltóireacht for sailing. And boating, Bádóireacht. Cumann Seoltóireachta. A sailing club. Cumann Seoltóireachta. So that's just some of the features and amenities that Wexford has to offer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you very much as always to my Patreon supporters. I'll be back very soon and I'll see you then. Slán go fóill.